1,330 of these big blocks laid, full pallet of briquettes. We've done 85 mixers, or a pallet and a half of cement, which is absolutely mental. Hopefully save our backs because they're really hurting and we're a bit cry. Very cry because our backs are hurting. Okay, so we are back on the new build again today. What we've done so far, me and Jake have just finished off the internal middle wall there. No stress. What we've been doing now is setting out the bay. Is it the bay or like the porch area of the property? So we've built a little corner there which is level with our 600mm almost finished floor level, and then we've just come off square. So I have an extra cube of concrete in here, so I'm having to go block flat, which is 100mm, and then 150 on top of that, and that'll get us back to coursings over there, which is perfect. We've just squared this and done all our measurements, and now we're setting the height. So, Big Jake, if you just hold that so we know exactly where we're going. Come to this corner. What's it saying?
That's it.
There?
One sec. Just keeping it.
Okay, sound. So 325 about. So I just need to pick up like 12mm a course, and then we'll have this corner set, and then in a little bit we're going to pull this leg through and then the remaining leg there before we hop onto the garage, which we've got some steels coming today. So it's all going to be fun and games. Nothing worse than being in footings. Yeah. At least it's not raining.
That's fun. At least we've not got our
wellies on.
That's not fun.
Right, have a little tap there.
Mm.
10mm. Let me, okay, sound, no stress. That's all right, I should have it now. It must have been really low in the footing there, and then it picks up massively here. Go on, put that on top again, see what that's like. Okay, cool, down 6mm.
Yeah.
Happy? Nice. Okay, cool.
Yeah, oh my Lord, watch me sway. Darkness falls and we all pray, hoping for the light of day. Down to the river, I have held the devil's hand.
Hold that there. 6, 3, 5, which is there. Cool. So, and then just double check this measurement here for me, just so I've got it bang on. Once I see the measurement, I'll know the measurement. 303.7. Bang on. Okay. I'll roughly square that, and then when we get up, I'll square it a little more. This is actually bang on level.
Is it? Right.
Yeah, so I had tight beds on that. So I'll actually pick up on the first course here.
There's somewhere to be every night of the week. Seems God ain't close.
That's how we're looking. We've pretty much wrapped up the superstructure. Earlier on we just finished off the entrance to the property, and now we are putting on the final briquette. You can see that we've pretty much loaded out everywhere around the property, and we have set this with our lathe level just to make sure that everything is bang on, which is really nice. And now we're just pulling through the final course. It is like 2:30. We're not doing too bad for time, but I reckon it might be a little bit of a late one. But overall, it's going really well. Everything's lovely and square. Everything's bang on level, which is just what we want. So we are going to finally do the last bit of brickwork on this and hopefully save our backs because they're really hurting and we're a bit cry. Very cry because our backs are hurting. Yes, Dave, I can hear it. I can see Dave. He's a great guy. Nice, what's that going to be? Oh, I can make that work. Nice.
Drew that this a lot better.
He certainly did. So I gave him £110 a day. This absolute nonsense. Just. Oh wow. Right, there we go. We have finally wrapped up, haven't we? Yes, we have, boys. Yeah, we've finally wrapped up setting out this new build. Tomorrow we're going to be dropping it onto the garage. We just had a little tot up, 1,330 of these big blocks laid, full pallet of briquettes and half a pallet of concrete blocks. And you've done 85 mixers, or a pallet and a half of cement, which is absolutely mental. So tomorrow we'll be dropping onto the garage, and that is pretty much this new build set out. We're going to have a 24-ton machine coming in here tomorrow, stoning it all up, doing the drainage, and then we'll be back next week to start the superstructure. Yes, yes.